Hello everyone, this is Sammy. We're going to do something fun today. We're going to make a pair of binoculars. So for this project we will need some strings, a pair of scissors, a piece of paper, and finally a stapler. First, we will fold the paper in half, hamburger style. Then we will cut the paper in half. Take one half and roll it up like a toilet roll. Use the stapler and staple both ends, like so. Make sure you're holding on to the roll so it doesn't become undone. Take the second half and roll it up like what you did with the first half, and staple both ends. Bring the two rolls together and staple them together like this. Do the same thing with the other end. Now take out your string. We're going to staple one end of the string to one side of the roll. And we're going to staple the other end of the string to the other side of the roll. And there you have it, a pair of binoculars. You probably have fun using the binoculars. You can use it outside during the summer. But you know what? It could get hot. So we're going to make a fan. I'm gonna have a little friend join me. Her name is Emily. Alright. This is what we will need to make a fan. You might want to pause this video and go grab another piece of paper. Since you already have the stapler, we're going to start now. On the long side of the paper, we're going to fold it about ½ inch. Now flip the paper to the other side and fold it back like this. Then flip the paper to the other side and fold it like this again. Now we're going to flip and fold until you reach the end of the paper. Now we're at the end. You're going to fold the strip in half. And at the middle of the fan, we're going to staple it. Now spread it out and we're done!